So now, as the politics was erupting, Trinamool MP Sekhar Roy has moved High Court. He has demanded and is seeking protection from arrest. This is the latest that we are picking in the Kolkata rape and murder case where politics was erupting. Remember, this was the TMC leader who questioned the role of cops and the investigation that was done by Kolkata Police. TMC MP had been issued notice by the cops in the case, and the cops said that the TMC MP was spreading misinformation, after which now the Trinamool MP Sekhar Roy has moved High Court for protection from arrest. My colleague Saurabh Gupta continues to stay with me. Saurabh, if you can give more details about this case and what allegation did exactly TMC MP Sekhar Roy made?
Well, let me just complete what I was saying, which is that, the unnatural death case which I was completing is that, so that's covered. The police have said that that's not. Now, what has Sekhar Roy said? Sekhar Roy in a post said, why wasn't the dog squad sent, or why was the dog squad sent after 3 days? Again, something that has been categorically fact-checked by the police. In fact, even as we were there reporting on the first day, it is quite clear that a dog squad was sent on that day. The police have also said it on record. And therefore, this is again something that has been construed as misinformation. And that's why the police had sent him a notice to ask and to explain on what basis did he make this allegation. So that's one. Now, there has been a lot of misinformation around this case, and that's something that the police are tackling. However, questions have been raised on the police investigation as well by the opposition BJP and the left. For example, this morning, Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, who's a senior advocate, questioned the decision of awarding compensation to the victim, questioning the intent behind, the compensation. But sources familiar with the compensation says that, the guidelines are that compensation has to be paid out as expeditiously as possible. And also, there is a well laid down structure of how much compensation is paid for what crime that a woman has faced. And these are all documented guidelines that have been put out, and they say that the state government was actually following the procedure even on that.
Right, and Saurabh, it's not just the police, but also the TMC, in fact, has come out. Kunal Ghosh, we heard him. He is also contradicting TMC MP Sekhar Roy's statement that no misinformation should be done, and the Kolkata Police did their best, and even the top cop have done their best in the case, while even West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee sought more days for probe that could have been done in a better way. Saurabh, there are many counter versions also coming. In fact, even inside the TMC, Sekhar Roy has been, countered by his own party members, where they are defending the investigation that was done by Kolkata Police in the rape and murder case of the 31-year-old doctor.
That's right. Sekhar Roy continues to be a Trinamool Congress MP, though one believes that his Rajya Sabha term may soon be coming to an end. Of course, that is something that he has raised, and the questions that he has raised have been fact-checked already by the police. The notices sent, and these notices have not only gone to him, they've gone to very senior doctors as well, doctors who are respected, reputed, but somehow have also shared information or voiced opinion that seems to be contrary to facts, as the postmortem says. For example, doctors have gone on to record to say that there have been fractures in the body. Now, the postmortem clearly says no fractures. 150 milligram of semen. Again, that's something that the postmortem report is quite clear on. 151 gram is the weight of organ plus fluid, and that is something that's there. So, right. Perhaps an incorrect reading or an incorrect brief of the medical legal aspects of an investigation like this, because these are extremely reputed medical professionals.
Right.
But perhaps the medical legal aspects of these cases is something that the police say they're not aware of or have shared misinformation on, which is why these notices have been sent to them.
Right. Right. Thank you so much, Saurabh Gupta, for joining us and clarifying all those details that you had on it. Exactly, there are many misinformation, and now the Kolkata Police have also summoned the TMC MP while he has moved to the High Court for protection. Meanwhile, if we are talking about the politics, then the West Bengal governor also has hit out at the West Bengal government, saying that it has failed to safeguard the security of daughters and women in the state. Now, he is also expected to meet Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister JP Nadda in the national capital today. But before that, what he said in a statement to media. Listen in. Meanwhile, Congress also has blamed the centre in failing to ensure safety and enacting a law that will safeguard women in the country. Listen in.
आज ऑनरेबल एमपी शेखर रॉय जी जो ट्वीट किया, पुलिस कमिश्नर को कस्टोडियल इंटरोगेशन चाहिए, ये जो डिमांड है इसको हम ऑपोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आफ्टर गेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑनरेबल सीपी विनीत गोयल, he has done his best within 12 hours, an accused has been arrested, गिरफ्तार हो गया और इंटरोगेशन चल रहे थे। हो सकते थे सीएम ने 3-4 दिन मांगा था तो उसमें और बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू का पोजीशन था, ब्रेक थ्रू हो सकता था। तो अभी सीबीआई का पास है, उसमें सीएम साहब का कोई एतराज नहीं है।